everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Mel and this is Life of Melly. Today's video is a vlog. We are currently on our way out to go to a farm called the Walnut Tree Farm. It's a charity organised farm, and it's funny, I put on my Instagram this morning saying we weren't going to do anything, we're going to have a really lazy day, but I can't handle having a lazy day, and Jake doesn't finish work until 6, so to stay in all day is going to be really crappy. So I thought, bugger it, let's actually go out and do something, even if it's only for a couple of hours, and why not? And if the weather is pretty decent today, so happy days. So you say good morning.
Hi,
Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Say how are you?
How are you?
You had a good morning?
Oh.
Are we gonna go to the farm?
Yeah.
I'm surprised you can still fit in that, Alice.
Yeah.
Well, I was going to do a what am I wearing video this week, so I will actually insert the clip I'm going to do from today for that video. So yeah. I think she's pregnant. Rabbits. Rabbits. That's a play area there. If you go outside, there's more stuff outside. It's at 12:30 the tractor is. So we've come down to Walnut Tree Farm up in Newport, and we've got some feed ready for the animals, which is here, and we paid for the tractors. Chickens!
Look at all those chickens.
What's that? Look, oh, that's a child, isn't it? Look at all those chickens.
All those chickens. No, they're ugly, they are.
Do you want to give Bunny to Mummy? Can you put Bunny in her bag, please? So I can... Go see the ducks. Go see the ducks then. See the ducks? Go on then, go see. Say bye, guys. Say bye.
When did you go home again?
About 2-3 weeks ago.
I thought you liked being...
Look, llamas! Llamas! Do you want to give some llamas some food? I wouldn't though, he looks kind of like annoyed. Llamas! Look at the goat. Look at his footy.
Wow.
Chickens! So give the chickens some food, or do you want to do the sheep? Sheep! Do you look at the sheep? Right, have a look at the sheep, Alice, come on. Oh God, that's vile. Do you want to do some, Alice?
Yeah.
Put your hand. Get some sheep then, get some food for the sheep. Get some food then. And hold your hand out.
Oh, I wouldn't.
Wash your hands anyway. Oh, he's cute. He looks like he's smiling.
Can I pet them?
Yeah.
Can I pet them? Hi.
Get some food. Come on, get some food out. Hold your hand out. Ah!
It's gross.
We got wet wipes, it's fine. You're a bloody scoundrel, you are.
She's bored now.
No, come on, Alice. What else we got? Should we go to the donkeys? Come on.
Come on. Jesus, this is hard. Keep going. I'm not gonna fit. Oh my god. Get a height, you know. Go! Go, go, go! Whee! Oh! You good? She's good. Now I gotta go down.
Do you want to feed them, Alice? Do you want to feed them with Beth?
Ew.
No, that one. You'll be fine.
I'm not touching them.
They'll be fine. They don't bite.
I don't want to get E. coli.
They don't bite. They're lovely.
No thanks.
Oh, oh, look at the goat just... Hello?
Chilling.
Oh, yeah? Come see the reindeer? Should we get the reindeer? We got food. Look at him, Alice. It's Christmas. Christmas. Oh, look at you. Hello. Hello. Oh, my God. You want to feel him? It's like fur. What? Oh, don't piss him off. Christmas. Oh, he's lovely. Look at him. Come on then, Alice. Alice, this way. What do you hate?
I thought reindeers were made up.
What?
Like, I literally thought reindeers were like made up with
For Christmas?
Yeah.
You ridiculous.
Like literally.
That's an alpaca?
Yeah, they spit.
Alpaca.
They spit.
Alice, they're not very nice and they're chilling. Let's come on. Look, chickens. Chick, 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 chickens. Lay a little egg for me. Chick, chick, chicky, chicken.
Chicken.
I want one for my tea.
Chicken.
I haven't had an egg since breakfast.
Should we go get chicken nuggets later?
Oh, sure.
What would you do if you like? What would
They're goats.
What would the chickens do if you like gave them get a chicken nugget?
It's a goat.
Goat.
It's a goat. It's a
No.
goat.
Goat.
So look at him wagging his tail. Goat.
I like more like the pandas and lions, not like.
Well, we're taking her to Folly Farm now at the end of this month. If you want to come with.
No thanks.
Yeah.
They don't have pandas and stuff. They have like goats and.
They don't. Folly Farm, they don't. Folly Farm, they've got lions and zebras and giraffes.
No, I like
and...
zoos. But I don't,
Oh, look, it's a baby cow.
but I don't like zoos because like.
Oh, look at those. The baby cow. Oh, Alice, look. It's a baby cow.
That's a cow.
That's a cow. It's a cow. Oh, Alice. Am I there? Look, Alice. Look at the cow. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Look. Oh, look at Mum.
Oh, Mandy.
It's Mandy. Look. Look. He's a cow. Say moo cow. Moo cow. You've got a rough tongue. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Aww. Where have you gone, Alice? Oh, there's a white reindeer by there. Yeah, there's a white one. There she is. There she is. Come on then. Oh, you found the swans. Should you go find the horsies? Now I've got chick, 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 chicken. Lay a little egg for me. Chick, 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 chicken. I want one for my tea.
I sent a photo of a reindeer to my group chat.
And they're like, what the fuck is that?
No, saying I thought reindeers were made up. And so he goes, that's not a reindeer.
Oh my god, yes it is.
this?
There's a white one over there as well. We'll go over at the white one.
You said the thing was at 12:30.
Yeah. That's alright.
It's 1.
Let's look this way. Horsies. Horsies.
I was like, what?
Look. Look. Horsies. Oh, look at him. Say horsey, horsey.
Yay.
Oh look, it's a ginger one. It's Morgan, Krista, and Lee. Should we give them some food? Hold on, let's take
I don't think they understand. Yeah, I keep my distance too. You're mental. Alice, say hi. Go say hi.
Say hi.
That was quick.
Oh, look at that. Are they pretty? Which one was it again? Stop. Say chicken. Horsies. You want to go see, do you? Come on then. Thank you. Is it that one? That's empty. Can you take a picture on your phone of it with the horses? Because I'll use them as a thumbnail. So go on then, go to the horses. Put your hand out. You go touch the horses. Go on then, go rub the horses. Go, oh horsey. Go on then. You see what they're doing is. Say hi. Say go hi, come on. Come on, let's go say hi. Look, come say hi. Come on. Look. You say hi? Oh, look. Okay. Come on then, let's go see the sheep.
Moved.
Thank you. I'm going to use them as my thumbnails. This way. I've got, I know, that's like a basket. And free ticket. Go on the swing. Well, I like it down here, it's really, really nice. It's a bit windy. Oh, there's a horse scratching his butt. We'll go grab him then. Alice, you want to come see the sheep? Come on then. Come down the slide. Go down the slide. No. What? What's wrong with you? What's broken?
That's why she didn't want to go down the slide. She just wanted to go back and
It's
forth.
probably too hot.
I think, no, it's not hot. It's cold. But I think she was like going back and forth. I don't think she could find a way out.
And not even that. That slide that she went on earlier, she fell, so.
Yeah.
Probably thinks I'm going to avoid these slides now.
Come on.
Come this way. Come this way. Follow mummy. Look, sheepies. Yeah, I know. Ooh. Hello. Hello. Hi, sheepy. You be careful, because sheep, they don't look very happy, do they? They look like they're looking for food. We haven't got any more food, I don't think, do I? All right. All right. There we go. Hold on. So, well, we just got back from the Walnut Tree Farm and we went to Morrison's to get some stuff. I won't really show you what we bought. It was just like milk, stuff like that. I didn't buy bread though. I always forget to buy bread because we're not a bread family, but I should have probably bought bread. But yeah, I'm just gonna probably have a cup of tea. My washing machine decided to turn off when we left, which is really annoying. So my load didn't even wash properly. It stopped at 40 minutes. It was a 90-minute cycle. There you go. But I will show you the tops that I bought for Alice because there was a little bit of a sale and I do love Morrison's clothes. This one was £2 and it says Garden Friends. So it's long sleeve, it's size 2 to 3, so this is perfect for autumn. I bought another one which was also £2. This is 1 and 1.5. It says Mummy's Little Helper. So this one she can wear now, really. But I like Morrison's because they have the long back for kids, which is really nice. And Alice picked this one. This one was £2.50, I think. No, £1.50. And it's that one, which I thought was really cute. It's got those little animals on, and a koala bear and a parrot and a flamingo, and that's size 2 to 3. So that one she will probably wear relatively now, but I really liked the long one. I thought that one was really cute, and again it's 2 to 3. So, and it's got little bumblebees on it and ants and a ladybird and some snails, and the top that Alice is actually wearing today is Morrison's as well. So I'm going to leave these on the stairs for now. I'm a bit annoyed. I was hoping to come home. Alice was going to continue to have her nap, and I was going to put the washing out, and I was going to have basically 10-15 minutes to myself of doing absolutely nothing. But she's awake, but then it's not really a big deal because at the end of the day she goes to bed now about 8 o'clock. So if she is awake now, it means she should go to bed at a normal time. It is 3:30. She had maybe 15 minutes in the car, possibly. So, and I bought myself some very exciting razors, which were on sale, but I didn't need them. Let's put these in the bathroom. Woo! Right. And as you can see as well, like by there, I still haven't painted the walls, and I still haven't painted that wall. I will get to it. I'm just not in particularly any rush as such. It will be done before the winter, because obviously I need it to dry. I'm going to make myself a cup of tea. What, baby? Where are you going? Where are you going? She's by there. Jess is by there. There she is. There she is. There she is. There's my girl. Oh. Down, please. Down. Come on, come downstairs. Come downstairs. Come on. Come on. Do you want me to hold your hand? Do you want me to hold your hand? Wait. I'm knackered. So I think I'm going to end this vlog here anyway, because we have got, I've got washing to put out, I've got dinner to cook. We did go, as I said, we did go to Morrison's and we got some salad and stuff like that, so I am going to be doing some dinner for us now. Jake doesn't finish work until 6 today, so he's not actually going to be getting home till about 6:30, 7:15. It is now 20 to 4, so again, I'm going to be just chilling out, sorting the dog out, because I know she needs to be fed, and she's, you know, she's, for anyone who actually knows I've got a dog, I've had Jess for about 3 weeks now, I think, come Saturday, and she has settled in really well. I'm really pleased. I mean, I was a bit concerned because of just, you know, having a pet alone is a big thing. And obviously we've got Ollie, and Ollie is, he's interested, but he's not. I mean, he's a typical cat. He stays pretty much outside. I see him once or twice during the day. I put food out for him, if anything. So please, if you are a lover of cat and think I'm not acknowledging him or I've completely neglected him, please don't think that. He actually has neglected me. He only actually comes in when he wants to now. Come on then. But Jess is settled in really well, and she's fantastic with Alice. I mean, obviously, for those who are really strict when it comes to animals and pets, Jess does not get left on her own with Alice at all, purely because she is, obviously, we only Jessie's with it, purely because obviously we've had Jess for 3 weeks. It wouldn't be a good idea, and it would not be a safe idea just to leave her with Alice even for like 10-15 minutes for me to have a shower. Alice, so I wait until Jake comes home for me to have a shower or something like that. But she is, come by here. Are we going to say bye-bye? Come by here then. You going to come say bye-bye? But we are going to leave this vlog here as I have to feed Madam Moo. I have to feed Madam Moo, and we have to watch telly, and we're going to have a cup of tea. Yeah, and we're going to chill out. We're going to put some comfy clothes on. And we're going to, what are we going to watch? You're going to watch some Disney? Do you want to watch a princess? Yeah, we'll watch a princess film. But as always, thank you guys for watching. Obviously, if you have... Oh, it's your bows. Obviously, if you haven't subscribed, please do, and obviously click the little bell next to the subscribe button so you can continue to get notifications when I do upload. I do try to upload at least twice a week. At the moment it is only about once a week, but that's purely because my schedule sucks and I haven't actually sorted out a schedule properly. But yeah, please give this video a like and a thumbs up, and let me know if you actually enjoyed the day in the lives or the vlogs, because I'm really pushing to get to do them a little bit more, obviously. And as I said, I think in a previous vlog, I would like to vlog more, but I don't really want to vlog when we're in the house as such. But I will be doing some more things while we're in the house, like toddler games, like painting, and what we can do for that. So yeah, if you are interested in stuff like that, please obviously let me know, and I will catch you guys very, very, very soon. Alice, you gonna come say bye? Yep, so I'll catch you guys very, very, very soon. So bye! Say bye!